If you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, then you're in the right place, because in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips on how you can start making your first YouTube videos. Welcome back. My name is Alex and I help creators and business owners use the power of video to grow their audience online. Don't forget to like and subscribe so I can bring you the latest tips and tricks on how you can use video to grow your audience online. And with that being said, let's dive right in. Starting with tip number 1, define your channel's focus. Before you start filming, start thinking about the types of videos your channel is going to be all about. This is a way for you to start creating content that resonates with your target audience. Think about the things that you're interested in and that you're passionate about. If you're knowledgeable about it and you're passionate about it, it is very likely that you're going to start growing an audience online. Maybe you like cooking, traveling, or you like vlogging. If it resonates with you, it's going to resonate with your audience. Tip number 2, invest in good equipment. Now, I don't mean to go and buy the latest and greatest equipment, because when you're starting out, one of the most important things is to always use what you have. And as you continue to get better and put out a quantity of videos, it's good to continue to upgrade the quality of your videos by investing in a good mic, good lighting, and a good camera. And the more you're focused on that, it's going to help you not only create a video that is going to look good, but it's going to sound good. Tip number 3, plan your content. Creating a plan for your content is not only going to help you stay organized, but it's going to help you produce consistent quality videos for your audience. Consider creating a content calendar so you know what topics you're going to be covering every week, and even creating a script so you know what points you like to cover in the video. Tip number 4, keep it short and sweet. When you're starting out, it is very important to keep your videos short and sweet and get straight to the point. As you know, attention spans are getting shorter, so try to keep your video anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes. That's going to help you ensure that the viewer is going to watch all the way through the entire video. Tip number 5, engage with your audience. One of the greatest things about YouTube is that it has a sense of community. Learn about your viewers by responding to their comments. Not only will you learn about your viewers and what it is that they're interested in, and at the same time, it's going to help you get feedback on how to continue improving the types of videos that you're putting out. And when you do this, it's going to help you build loyalty, and building a loyal audience takes time. And by engaging with your viewers, you can start building relationships that will last. So there you have it, 5 tips on how you can start making your first YouTube videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and remember to have a great day, a great life, and don't forget to be awesome. See you in the next one. And if you want to learn more about the power of YouTube, watch this video here, or here, or is it down here? I think it's down here.